Welcome back, everyone. I'm Big Jim. Welcome to Big Jim's Kitchen. This channel is dedicated to showing you step-by-step instructions on how to make different recipes I've learned over the years. Some easy, some not so easy. Some healthy, some not so healthy. Today's recipe, if you haven't already read the thumbnail, we're going to be making some Swiss steak. Now, you're going to need some special equipment for this. You're going to need a crock pot and a nice sized mixing bowl. So, before I go ahead and get into the ingredients, let's get cooking. All right, the ingredients you're gonna need for today are using some bottom round steak. You're gonna want some vegetables in here. I am using some potatoes, carrots, and onions. You're also going to want an onion soup mix, some minced garlic, some diced tomatoes. Your liquid base, you're gonna want some beef broth. I like to use unsalted, and a little bit of worcheshire. So, let's go ahead and start combining some ingredients. And, oh yes, silly me, I forgot something. You're gonna wanna side with this, and this one I'm gonna be doing some instant mashed potatoes. Instead of using water, like the instructions call for, I always use chicken broth, or chicken stock, whichever, because it makes the flavor stand out so much more. To start with, we're gonna go ahead and chop our vegetables. This is nothing that takes too much brain power. All we're doing is chopping. These Yukon Gold potatoes are really good. I like to use these. And one cool thing about them is they're usually pretty clean. So maybe just a quick rinse off and you're good. And super simple. You can cut these up however you want to. I just like to do it normally one like that and one like that. Simple, easy. Do that for all your potatoes. Next up, your carrots. I don't usually rinse these because I like to skin them, so super simple. Go ahead and cut off the end, throw those away, skin them. Once you got it skinned, just go ahead and cut it up to size. Normally, you should probably do this over a trash can or in your sink, so you're not making as big of a mess, but this is on video, so super simple. Just cut them up, and if it's too big and fat, I like to run it right down the middle, like so. Just be sure not to cut yourself. Disclaimer. Whoops. Then, now you got your onion. The way I like to do these is I like to cut the ends off first, so they're a little bit easier to peel. Get the outer layers of onion that you don't want in your food. Just pull it off. Actually came out much easier than I thought. And for this, it doesn't have to be too fancy, just right down the middle. Get one half. Right down the middle, and do about, cut it into thirds, like so. And then before you toss them in there, go ahead and break them apart, because otherwise they'll just stay in a big chunk. So yeah, pull them apart. Continue this with the rest of the vegetables. Now that we've got all of our vegetables mixed up and chopped up, let's go ahead and add them to the crock pot. Now let's go ahead and put the sauce together. Just start off with putting in your diced tomatoes, followed by your Worcestershire sauce. Fill this up pretty high, don't want to spill it. Then I'm going to start off with 2 cups of beef broth. Add more if you need it. Some minced garlic. And our onion soup powder. Let's go ahead and mix this up real good. And afterwards, I'm going to pour this directly over the beef that's on top of the vegetables, and then slow cook it for a good 7 to 8 hours. Now that we've got our sauce mixture good and we've got our meat preloaded into the crock pot on top of all the vegetables, let's go ahead and add the liquid. Try not to do it without splashing it. Let's go transfer this over to the crock pot. Put the lid on there, make sure it's set to low, and leave it alone for the next 7 to 8 hours. It's been a good 7.5 hours, and I went ahead and turned this off because everything looked done. So once this cools off, I'll go ahead and scoop up a plate and give it a taste test. Off camera, I went ahead and made those instant potatoes. I really didn't feel I need to go ahead and actually show you how to do instant potatoes because I'm pretty sure you can figure that out. So, went ahead and made a nice plate, mashed potatoes with some of the Swiss steak on top, some of the vegetables to the side. Now let's see how it tastes. Super tender. Quite good. All the different ingredients come together to just create an explosion of flavor in your mouth. Quite yummy. This will make a great family dinner. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.